10 hut. Wait, what's going on here? Wait, why are there iron bars on the walls? No. Oh, give me 20. Oh, she's getting sassy. Okay, Jeff, what's going on over there? Wanna come to jail? Okay, all right, let's go. It's adventure. Jeff, what is going on? You ate the... Help me. Get down. What do you mean get down? Hold on, whoa. Jeff. Bro, it's just daycare. Turn hut. Hey, Jeff, you're being annoying. You're arrested. Chill. You can't arrest me for that. And why did you get arrested? You broke into a prison. No, I walked into a prison because this dude asked me to walk into a prison. Exactly, you broke in. I'm the judge. Jeff, you can't be both things. You can't be the judge and the prison guard. Moose, what's up, buddy? What's wrong? What's that? Oh, thanks, man. What's this for? What is this? Hi, your uniform for prison. Welcome to the day of daycare. Yo, it's good to be finally back, man. It's a beautiful Saturday today, and I'm excited, guys. If you're excited for Saturday, hit that subscribe button, slap that bell if you're a newcomer, man. Leave a like, bro, because I'm excited to go back to daycare, man, and have a ton of fun. So yesterday, as you guys remember, well, yeah, Skylar got arrested, and then I had to save her. Jeff over there? What's Jeff doing? Hey, Jeff, what's going on? What? Hey, wait, what are you guys doing here? I thought you guys. Wait, why are there still prison bars in the daycare? You guys that lazy to change it? Are you guys kidding me? We back to what? We forgave each other, but the prison is still there. Ran out of money, but the prison is still there, and I never forgave it. You never forgave. He took all I had. You guys are the most confusing people I've ever met. It's like there's no communication between you two. It's like one says one thing, the other person says another thing, and the other person just goes like full out like confused and stuff. I'm poor now. So it's called improv. That still makes no sense at all. So there wasn't enough to fix daycare. You guys didn't fix anything. It looks like they're just like, you can't even get inside of it. Did you lock yourself out? Jeff, did you lock yourself out? Is what happened? Huh? You know what? Just forget about it. You guys always confuse me, man. So what do we do today? I asked to use the rest to clear my record. So you pretty much gave Jeff all your money, and Jeff is saying that he has no money to fix daycare. And yeah, you guys have no idea what you're doing. So yeah. All right. So anyways, what do we got over here? The Extreme House of Truth or Dare. So you guys tell me that you guys are broke, and you have another building that's probably like, what, like $4 million? This is the last thing I have. This wasn't even here yesterday. We're just gonna go with it and have some fun. Awesome. All right. So what is this stuff? Well, what's going on over here? There's like random chests everywhere, a cool stage, and more chests. It just came in, all right. So you spent all your money on cleaning your record and doing this stuff. You guys are the worst with your money, aren't you? Yeah. Super lit. Awesome. So, what is this, man? Pick a chest for the person on the stage. So, wait a minute. How does this work? Jeff, Skylar, explain this. Explain this for me, because I have no idea what's going on, man. I'm just going to chill here and drink my moose milk. Nice. Awesome. Skylar, what if I go on the stage? Okay, cool. So if you're on the stage, what then? What happens? Pick a chest for me. So I can choose anything I want? Okay, cool. All right, awesome. There you go. A bullet wheel. And, so what's this? Truth. Do you have a secret crush in this room? Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. And ask them a truth or dare question. Oh, I got you. My bad. You guys didn't explain what was going on. Truth or dare? You can only choose one, obviously. Yeah. Dare. Okay, so who wrote this? I just wondering, who wrote these? Jeff? Hey, Mr. Smarty Pants over there. Was that you? Did you write these? The mail guy. Skylar took control. So Skylar wrote it, or the mail guy wrote it? The dare is confess your love to the first person you see. I don't know, it was in charge. Why is... This clearly says... The truth is, do you have a secret crush in this room, and the dare is confess your love to the first person you see. Skylar, you wrote this. Why you? I love you with all my heart. Yeah, I am not interested, so you can take your book, I was chill. Okay, just gonna walk away. All right, I'm just gonna walk away. Right? Okay. Oh, hey guys, Mickey Mouse here. No, I can't do that voice anymore. Okay, done. Next turn. Man, this guy. I'll go up on the stage. Go ahead. Okay, I'm up on the stage. Now what? So you guys have to go get yourself a book and then do it. Jeff, go. Come on, Jeff. What you got for me, buddy? Come on. Come on, Big Hefe. I'm on the stage. Choose a chest, buddy. Anything you want, man. Any chest except that one. I already chose that one, so don't worry about that, man, okay? All right. What do we got? What do we got? Come on. You got a book? Okay, come on. Ask me some questions, man. What do we got? And... oh, no. Oh, no. What? What's going on? What's going on here? Jeff, why are you putting lava on yourself? Bro, what's wrong? Yes. This is what? This deserves fire. Say it, Moose Man. It deserves fire. What are you guys talking about? What does it say? Truth or dare? Yeah, we're gonna burn that. Go ahead. Come on. Put down the lava. So Jeff, ow, on fire. Oh, okay. It's gone forever. No one's gonna ever have to read that or have to do the dare. Okay, we're good. Perfect. Awesome. I appreciate you, Jeff. All right. Next one. I'm gonna die, aren't I? I'm gonna in the arms of... yay! Water. Awesome. Okay, so all right. So who's next? Jeff, you go up on the stage. I'm gonna choose for you, buddy. I'm gonna choose for you. Here we go, man. Jeff, go up on the stage. Truth or dare? So choose one. Truth or dare, bro. Simple as that. Truth. Okay. Do you secretly want to destroy the daycare? Oh, dare. Yes. No. What's going? Lies. What? It's a yes or no. It's a truth or dare question, and then yes or no. What is the dare option? What do you mean? What? Eat the building. That's the dare option. Do you want to eat the building? Do whatever you want. I can't stop you. I want both. I told you. That's it. That's all I can tell you, man. Yeah. What are you doing? Jeff, put the lava down, bro. This is Extreme Edition. Just please put the lava down. Jeff, no. Jeff, stop it. Jeff, we can't do this here, all right, man? Come on. Be respectful to the building. You guys said you guys have the money, so you have to build this thing. All right, how about that? Yeah, you guys got it, huh? I got a young moolah. All right, man. Okay, man, whatever, dude. Anyways, oh, and so that's my boy Big Boost. My name is Big Boost. I'm with the Big Fist with Moose Book. All right, you know what? How about this? Moosina or Skylina or Jeffina or Patricia or Patrina or Moosina or Moosetta. Please go up on the stage. I feel like you guys are the same person. You guys are really scary looking. I'm surprised you guys hate each other because, like, I feel like if you two worked with each other, it would be like the world domination. Yeah, I guess that's competitive step. All right, so here we go. Truth or dare? Put this away. Choose one. Truth. Awesome. Okay. What is this? Why is this? Truth. Do you secretly want to kill someone? If you do, then who? Why is this? Who wrote these? Who wrote this? Oh my. Why is this a thing? This ain't me. This is the books. I know my answer. What's your answer, Jeff? What's your true answer, buddy? Yeah, no. It's a yes or no question, and you have to say who it is. It's so simple. Come on. Spit the facts. Yes. So you want to kill somebody. It could be anything. It could be like a tree. Jeffina, Cyclopia, Moosette, Moosina, Skylord, Jeffe, Big Hefe. A person. Who's that person? Jeff, I feel like this is the part. Moosina! Why do you want to, so you have a competitive battle in Minecraft PvP and you want to kill Musina in PvP. Yeah. Why do you guys hate each other so much? I don't understand what the problem is. It's just like, come on, it's so simple. It's so simple, right? Reasons. Whatever, you guys are crazy. All right, I'm going up on the stage next. Go ahead, ask me some questions, man. What do you guys got for me? Come on, what you guys got for me? Let's go. There's one book over there, right over here. Here you go. Enjoy. All right, awesome. This is gonna be fun. What do we got? Okay, what do we got? Last book. We can do our own truth or dare too. You have to go off the book, man. Because I'll give you like actual reasons and dares and stuff. Dun dun dun. True. Exactly. There we go. Exactly. Awesome. All right. What do we got? Nice. All right. Come on. Just one simple question. They can run it all. Truth or dare? I choose dare. What do we got? Jeff? You're in for a treat, buddy, because you're next, man. And let me tell you, I gotta eat some moose flesh. Nope. So eat Jeff. Oh. Bungo. Ho, Jeff. Listen, buddy. No, Jeff. I always wanted to, eat you, buddy. Like, you seem kind of tasty, so. Jeff, come here, buddy. You always want to bully me, man? Huh? You always like you use bows and stuff and make me look like the test subject? No, buddy. That's it. I'm gonna eat you. This is and I'm stuck in prison. Lovely. This is amazing. This is exactly. Oh well. Yeah, I can't get out. So if somebody wants to help me out, that'd be absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, that'd be great. Awesome. I'm coming. Awesome. All right. Okay, so anyways, let's get out of here. So anyways, it's the last truth or dare question. So Jeff, you're up on the stage. Just go up on the stage, man. You gotta choose truth or dare. Simple as that. Nothing too crazy. All right, sounds good? You're going to choose both. How do you can't choose? It's truth or dare. You can't choose both, man. It's simple. Truth or dare. Boom. Done deal. No problem. You know what I'm saying? No problemo. Oh, that's extreme. Okay, fine. Extreme. Truth or dare. Give me December. Dare. All right, how about this for the truth? Jeff, is it true that it's gonna be very offensive towards him? Jeff, is it true that the CPMs got you at a bad time and that you have to work as a daycare teacher for the rest of your life? He's crying. Jeff, it's gonna be all right, buddy. It's gonna be all right. Listen, man, daycare's the best until I retire. So you retire when? Like 85 or something? Huh? I see those tears. 2 weeks. Wait, you retired 2 weeks? What do you mean? How do you... Wait, what? You didn't tell me that. What? You can't retire in 2 weeks. You're stuck here forever. It's a non-stop job. But we need you. Jeff? Jafina taking over. Jafina is not taking over. You turned Jafina into a ghost. I will unfreeze her. Oh, you froze her. Okay. I'll buy her. I can't. Okay. All right. Okay, so... all right. You tell me that you're stuck in daycare forever until you gotta retire. Jeff, I don't think that's how it works, buddy. You're stuck here forever. Look at little Jeff A. Small little Jeff A. Big boy world can never stop. Forever and ever until season number 2, then season number 3, and number 4. No one controls the Jeff A. Season number 5, and number 6, and number 7 until the fans don't want to see Daycare anymore. And number 8, if you do want to see Daycare, just subscribe and hit the bell, leave a like, and you can follow me on my Twitter, my Instagram at MooseCraft, and buy some new merchandise and stuff. And I'm just gonna keep on. Ah! What just happened? Ha! Sorry. So I became nice things. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new Daycare video. Bye!